This is a 2017 Alfa Romeo 4C. So I've owned this car for about 3 weeks now. I normally don't buy black cars and also cars with 4 owners. I am actually the 5th owner of this car. But the reason I got this is because of the options it had. This has close to $20,000 in option, and one of them is the carbon fiber roof. Starting in 2017, they started to offer the carbon fiber roof as an option, and that's a $2,000 option. I also wanted the acropovic exhaust, the center exit exhaust. I think it makes it look very nice compared to the other one with the exits on the side. So this exhaust, although it's a little bit quiet, it's a $3,000 option. So just the roof and the exhaust, that's $5,000 worth of option right there. Those were the 2 main things I actually wanted on a 4C. The other one, it has a truck package which included a carbon fiber spoiler here, and also some Alcantara on the steering wheel, and also there is suspension. That was another option for about $2,500. Although I wanted like a red leather seat, these have Alcantara in the middle and leather and red stitching. The red one that I wanted was a $1,000 option. These were $2,000 option. They are even more expensive than the one I actually wanted. The other option was these carbon fiber mirrors. Most of them, they do have carbon fiber, but they don't have the Italian flag. So I thought that was a nice touch. Just this was an additional $300. The yellow calipers were another $300 option. So it does have a leather package that was another like $2,000. The other option was the headlights. They all come in carbon fiber, but I think some of them are halogen. So these are xenon headlights, and it was another option for $1,000. Oh, and then the wheels. These are 19s on the rear and then 18s on the front. This was another like $2,000 option. So overall, the person who spec'd this car originally paid close to $20,000 in options. So this car was about $56,000, and then when you add the option, I think it ended up being like a $75,000 car. It was quite expensive car at that time. So my options was either to buy this or buy the launch edition, but I picked this because of the options that I get. So that's my 4C.